Nonna's got a secret she's sharing today, a family tradition that won't fade away.
All right, let's get right into my Nonna's secret way how she did sausage and peppers when I was a child. First, you need a couple of bell peppers. I like to cut the sides down, then cut them into strips. And doing it this way, all the seeds stay inside the pepper, just like that. Next, Italian sausage, either mild or hot. I personally go with the hot. I like a little kick. I'm just gonna put those peppers on the board. Get a nice long knife, and we're gonna cut these into bite-sized pieces, just like that. So once we get the sausage and the peppers all cut up, we're gonna put everything into a large mixing bowl. And we're going to need some olive oil, granulated garlic, and granulated onion. So we'll put a little bit of olive oil in there, just to make sure everybody gets coated nice. And just a couple of dashes like this of granulated onion, probably about 3 tablespoons of each, granulated garlic. And we'll give this a real good mix. Make sure everybody is coated nicely with all that flavor. And then we're going to transport this to a nice baking dish. I like to use these aluminum ones that I can just toss out. No cleaning. I'm not anti-cleaning, but the less dishes, the better I feel. So we get that in there, spread it around, make sure everything's even. And then it's time for the secret. My Nonna's secret. Dun dun dun. Red wine vinegar. Yeah, it sounds crazy, I'm telling you. But it really brings out the flavors of the peppers and the sausage. You don't even taste the vinegar. So she would just take the bottle, sprinkle it across right on top of everything, just like that. Oh. That's it. And then she would pop it in the oven, 350 for 1 hour. And then that's all done. Serve it up, and it is a bright, refreshing sausage and pepper. I mean, it's just, give it a try, trust me. I know you're thinking the vinegar, but trust me on this, it works. She did it for her whole life, and I still do it that way. Hey, anyways, thanks for watching. Remember to share, like, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put a new show out every Sunday and every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Pacific time out here in Las Vegas. And leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate you. I like to get to know you. All right. Hey, we'll see you on the next video. Make this.
Every bite you eat, sausage and peppers, an Italian dream. Nonna's little secret makes the flavor sing. It's not just the sausage, not peppers alone. It's Nonna's secret that makes it feel like home. Some say it's the spice, some say it's the wine, but it's patience and passion that stand the test of time. Hot or mild, red or green, you'll see what I mean. Nonna's secret is the best you've ever seen. Buzz Cooks on YouTube, we're cooking with